is a presentation of my deep learning of week 4, year 2026 to 2027 model project. So these are the and this is the learning in math. This week I did not study so much with it. I made it in mobile. Usually is it visible now?
Number
Add
it's up, okay, and same chapter again.
So in math I learned rational number, addition and subtraction, but in that I did not solve any numericals.
In what?
Addition and subtraction, related with addition and subtraction, I did not solve any numericals.
You're saying
Exercises.
you did the theory part, classes. And then the classes start, right? Okay. Go on.
Classic of Harris and Hall. But that it is simple concept addition subtraction. You can see from physics or magnitude also. I mean science same chapter right? So means I can explain a little. Again I can explain about the stars and constellation because I read about this in this book.
You got further knowledge.
Not further knowledge, but not further knowledge, but I revise it. I will just ज़्यादा मैंने सीखा नहीं. I just learn. I already said in last deep learning stars जो चमकता है it is वो उसका खुद का लाइट होता है. And Sirius is the Sirius star is the brightest star, and Pole star and Big Dipper and Small Dipper. So Big Dipper we call in India Saptarishi, and in
Big Dipper,
and Pole star we call Dhruv Tara. So one thing I learned about Pole star is not moving. When you see in the north side, northern side, so it is not moving. Pole star is not moving, but Big Dipper and all stars are moving, but Pole star is not moving. Go north side में, so it look at north direction. Earth is moving, but Pole star is not moving. And only one thing I learned about Pole star and constellation. So I already told about constellation. In the earlier time, when a group of stars make pattern, that is called constellation. But now reason जो IAU ने, they are divided our sky in 88 parts, 88 reason. So that reason, in reason there are groups of stars, that is called constellation. So an earlier time, जो group of stars when they are making pattern, that is called constellation. But now in reason groups of stars, in one reason groups of stars is called constellation. Means reason we can say reason in constellation. That is same.
You wanted to revise nakshatra.
Yeah, I wanted to revise. I revised it, but I did not understand anything. Astrology के बारे में है. And in that chapter there means it is in more to know. It is in more to know में है वो नक्षत्र. Class 6 में. They are talking about means a little about astrology.
You want to?
No, I don't want to do astrology. That's it. And in rational number addition subtraction, you can give me question from here.
For science, the notebook, you were at exercise 11 or something like that. Example of ऐसे एक notebook.
अभी के पास
अभी यार yes
Which one is it?
third yeah
First, second.
this one.
you don't know
So this is
I saw it. From here. No, not from here. From here.
from here. Yes. Sun, star. These are the last exercises of the chapter. Last exercises of the chapter.
There is maybe 3 or 4 questions left, so today it will be complete.
then it will finish
Then class is finished.
and I will be very happy and then class is complete
Partial ये किसकी नोटबुक ये काफी बड़ी नोटबुक है ये क्या
I think my
This is yours. This is Dili's. Okay. Now next we were doing about ठीक है हिंदी test. This is math. So what were you saying about math?
In math only I learned about addition and subtraction, but I did not learn about in this book, because after this last time I talk about last time when I think I was no this week sorry this week I learned about this one also, which one is greater, which one is smaller, and which one is equal. A fractional number and arranging descending ascending order, that one also. This one and ascending and descending order also.
Okay.
So 3 I learnt about, and addition and subtraction, that means there was a class always saw about it.
But you have learned, actually this is already you have learned. If I look in Kartik Bhaiya's book, I think these are the same exercises that he was doing right now. No?
Means this week I read about this.
this class
Later
later
and-
and doing class 4
I am doing classes. It is all thing are repeating this.
Yes. So
There is nothing कैसे कोई कुछ नया नहीं है. There is nothing extra. Yes sir.
So here what I'm understanding is that last week you had reached till here. Okay, till maybe till 4. Okay, and this week you have done 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Is it?
I have to sit in my notebook. I don't remember. I don't remember. 7 I don't know. Only 7 till 7.
This one.
Till 7 is complete. 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 from here.
Till here. But these two are not done then.
Done. Done.
5 and 6 है ना?
Yes.
Okay.
Without this, how can I do like that? Yes.
how much time will it take to solve this
Which one? This one? I don't know.
1 hour 2 hours 3 hours 4 hours 5 hours 6 hours
Maybe 1 hour or less than 1 hour.
Okay. Where is it? What else? We have your. This is your test. What test you have done?
I did. This one.
From where you put get it, you have to.
Look on. 269. Where is it? 170. From here. Due to yes, here. American presidential election system.
ठीक है.
This one?
This text is what you read.
No. This one from here to
From
here.
Till here, this is the text that you read, and you answered how many questions? These 3 questions.
Yes.
Anything else?
Yes. And there is one another.
Acha. This
one-
test also?
No, this I don't understand.
Okay.
This one.
This one.
I read from here to
Uh-huh.
till here
Yes.
and then answer maybe these questions.
Okay. Yes, you can learn. How did you find this?
Which one?
How did you find this?
Find it what?
This text.
Maybe it was mentioned here.
Uh-huh.
I think that I didn't comprehension.
They knew
Yeah.
top there.
So this here is 233. So 100. So it's not it from here.
The one Kartik Bhai did, where is it?
We started from
It's
this.
not this book, no?
No. One question that first one.
Okay.
This one. Acha.
This one.
अच्छा okay then you change them. Okay. Then do the other also.
How did you find the text?
Means आपको did you find it easy, difficult,
No, it is-
very difficult,
It was a little difficult.
little difficult, not very difficult, right?
In this one, text find.
हाँ.
टेक्स्ट फाइंड करना समझना नहीं समझना इज वेरी 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 डिफिकल्ट फाइंड करना है ही वाज लुकिंग
But
लाइक
you know, if you were reading the news every day, all these things, reading the online newspaper, eventually you will get used to all this language, the words that you are finding in your examinations. Because it's just a matter of not being used to that language. We are not used to these kind of words. That is why it looks more challenging. But whenever there are so many
Yes,
political things going on, so these words will appear more often.
इज अबाउट आई थिंक हिस्ट्री नॉट पॉलिटिक्स
Politics.
Politics. Maybe don't come.
Which of the following best describes my So have you corrected? Have you checked?
फर्स्ट थ्री क्वेश्चन इज करेक्ट आफ्टर दैट विल बी चेक
Why? Oh, not checked. Check कर लीजिए. I'm just wondering why we are waiting to check. And or else then we will check. How we will know? Or we are not interested now, or we are too tired.
Seven is wrong. No. Yes, 5 is wrong. 8 is correct. 9 is also correct. 10 correct. 11 wrong. 12 correct. Means this one is wrong and this
So
one is
how
wrong.
do you mark it? Do you mark it or you
Yes,
don't mark it?
no,
Mark it.
Done.
With marking your
Maybe.
It's done.
Wait, no.
I know I'm talking with Gopal Bhaiya. This one is done.
Where is my pen? Where did I leave my pen?
I have a pen. I can do it.
Yes, but I will hold.
pen is hiding from
In which I have taken.
Your pen is in on your bed.
Oh, really?
This way.
Thank you.
Pen was hiding on the bed. You're a factor. Maybe.
Let's pick it to now because I'm going to start next chapter, next class of science.
Word meaning and book.
This one, word meaning, I write it not. I just write a word. From here you can see Sunday. From here.
Put it there.
And here I did it.
What is enthusiasm?
Enthusiasm, but I don't know the name.
Enthusiasm means enthusiasm.
Huh? What is enthusiasm?
I don't know. It is enthusiasm. I did till 151.
What is
No,
mental?
154.
What is mental?
Mental?
Mental.
154.
Julian Mental.
हिंदी में भर्ती में एक दिल के द्वारा में विभिन्न अंतर टाइप रहती है.
What is the power of discipline?
Display अनुशासन की ताकत.
अनुशासन की ताकत का मतलब होता है you have the power of discipline. If you
I
have discipline
understand
to do
some about
anything,
this. I write it in my notebook something, but I don't remember.
Yes, you know something when you're learning of.
In learning, I don't remember.
one day tema was more रहती है.
This is easier language, right? So you're supposed to understand it also, not only read it. Are you trying to understand it?
Yes.
You are, right?
Yes.
Understanding.
So what do you have to
Sometimes
tell
I
me?
understand, sometimes not.
So one thing that you have read.
Today I read about when Julian Mental was talking with John. He started to do daydreaming.
Daydreaming.
Yes. He was said all things which you are saying to me. अगर ये मतलब बच्चे भी सुनते हैं and something right भी सुनती something like this, but I don't remember. पूरा अच्छे से नहीं आया.
But yeah, he was daydreaming.
Then do you
Started with daydreaming.
daydreaming?
This 154 you said or 155?
154. Radha Mandalani.
सारी वीक में आप इतना पिक कर लीजिए.
Yes, she was in 190, now she's in 154. But language is also important, that helps. Okay, now what we are left with is, what is this?
Only writing.
Yes, then this is going to take time and I will take it with myself.
Okay.
And I will go through it because what I see is that
I write another.
did you rewrite?
Yes, I read and I rewrite the story also, and I try to improve.
Okay.
हाँ मैंने
Yes.
स्टोरी रिपीट नहीं की है. मैंने कोशिश की है. Sometimes maybe
So which one are repeated ones?
maybe this one.
This should be without
Not this one. That one is story. This one I write it again.
Yes. Okay.
After the temple.
Okay.
And maybe total and this one was repeated.
Okay.
This one I write it again.
Okay.
ये तो मैंने अपने नोटबुक बना के लिखा.
Okay.
ये भी बना के लिखा.
Okay. All right. I will go through them and then I have an update.
Can I stop the
Yes,
recording?
please.